Kulumka, this is Sarvi Devarma. Tipra Hana Lobby, Kanatang Shatajamu releasing a Tangitongo, 4th February, Sanjani Jorao. I'm very happy to be a part of this project. Especially, I want to congratulate and Hambarinan Mutungo, Borkung Rankolno for taking this wonderful initiative. KHAJANI TRIPURI DOPHA, or Zapmo, Kasharing Mo, Chiniti Prasarokno, Tansha Bujana Bag, Tangihe, Jung Alkaya, Jung Jotono, or Hani Busha. Tipra sa chinishinmo. Or jambo compose belay no kanata to khaijak te video go belay no nai thoka kha khaya jenoro bojoto no hamjaga no hanai naina ta pokdi khana releasing nai hambai tala thukiri horo no khano jamsharit chingchini hano mo jangre laina
haibadi baksake biai lagai thansake tipra ha amani bahai mo to salai nai Kulumaka and not in the Kosakan Deborah. Or some not being a sal, or mass and Kaitoman. A Aboni, Butaisen, look down at Hangito Mutantino. Sinitaku, Bokurakolo, Belakan Hambai, or YouTube video or project not the night, but Belakan Santa can complete time of it. Finally complete Bounka, our release and Halitongo, Jatari February, or our Novimanai official Tipra YouTube channel. Any bagi company tapte bookshop nor jotono hansala hamjok nor jotono Tipra sa ujugo kathung Tipra sa sungsa sa thung khai nai any bagi of video no naina ta bok ite share khai nan ta bok jotono yak baya robe shema ta khatung dir jamna.
Hi everyone, Monson here. It was such an honor to be part of this amazing project, and especially being able to contribute in whatever ways I could in the making of the song. It was a wonderful journey being able to work with various incredible artists. And yes, this is a song of hope, it's a song of unity, and it's never too late to hope and to be united in our hearts. And I hope this song will uplift all of our spirits. Ang kaklayo or samong jotonono chini kapasaranay tabone bagi simia tinani bagi buknay. So anticipate with excitement. It's going to be launched on 4th of Feb and will be premiered at 7 p.m. at Tipra official YouTube channel. Once again, thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Deborah Rankol, and I'm so excited for our new upcoming music video of KHAJANI TRIPURI DOPHA, which will be released on the 4th of February in the official YouTube channel of Tipra. I would like to thank everyone who have helped me throughout this project, especially Brother Borkung and Brother Monson. The song represents cultural unity of the tribes of Tripura, and I hope that the song reach out to every people and spread the fragrance of togetherness. Thank you.
KHAJANI TRIPURI DOPHA
Hey, this is Stones Kichu. I'm a music producer and audio engineer. I really had a great time working for this project, as I was totally blown away by the immense talent and contribution from all the various artists who have worked really hard to make this song stand out. And a big shout out to BK and Monson. Our only way of communication was through WhatsApp and phone calls, but I guess we work our way out. Finally, I just want to dedicate and give my warm regards to His Majesty and to the peace and loving people of Tripura. I hope you all genuinely like this song. God bless. Long live the King.
Bye bye.